Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, how we can, when we have such a file of or extracted ISO file with audio files containing in one file many files, many audio files, or songs or sketches, whatever. So, and we have format, strange format of ISO compressed image of containing QE file and APE file. So we can open in many audio editors or video editors them almost freely, but in order to extract it, for example, very famous program Power ISO cannot do that. So what we can do? We can go to the website of biggest soft company and download there a program called biggest soft audio converter. Now I'm going to show you this view of this program and what we can do in order to extract song by song, as in the example below, for example, or audio by audio. So, being inside the program, I'm going to select adding by clicking on add file, selecting the folder, not the folder, but the file, curve file of this type. So I am selecting it. API file, it has not API, we need to open API. API file is opened, as you see, 1 hour 12 minutes, but it is opened as one file, but I need to extract every song, every verse, every audio from this file to be separated like on the CD disk. So what we do? We click with the right mouse on the file and click split by chapter. Now it is activated. It is activated, as you see. And you have separated, for example, in this case, songs. And you can select or deselect what songs you need to extract losslessly. And here underneath we can select 3 types of lossless formats, what we want. And then we click on this button and the process will start. It is very fast. Encoder, decoder, audio decoder, encoder. Also it can download YouTube videos, but I don't know if it's working or not, because mostly I watch them. So such manual it is. Also I seen a way to deselect some of them, so they are all selected, and if you need 2 or 3 and if you have 1000, it's very hard to deselect, because you can only select all and you cannot unselect them. So such a manual it is. Glorify the God forever.